I don't know if you guys heard that, but I kind of spun the tires right there. I gave it maybe like 30% throttle. Yeah. I literally spun the tires. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Now, for this video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a little bit of weight reduction. We're going to make the boosted FRS a little bit quicker. Now, I don't think I'm going to do hardcore weight reduction, but I'm pretty much going to clear everything out of my trunk, spare tire, everything under that kind of carpeting, and I might go ahead and remove the rear seats. Not too sure yet, but I want to go ahead and kind of bring you through this process because this actually will save, I want to say, around 50 to 80 pounds depending on what I actually decide to take out. So if you guys want to go ahead and make your FRS BRZ 86 or your boosted FRS BRZ 86 a little bit faster, you guys go ahead and do this. The back seats on these cars are completely useless. This sunset's pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie, but it's right in my face. But I'm gonna go ahead, switch over to the GoPro, go ahead and clear out the trunk, and potentially go ahead and take out the back seats. I'm not too sure how loud the car is gonna be with the back seats out. Might not do it, might do it, who knows. Let's go ahead and switch to the GoPro and start, you know, cutting some weight and making this boosted FRS a little bit quicker. All right, let's go ahead and start clearing this stuff out. I'm actually gonna go ahead and keep this stuff in the car because I do need those when I wash the car. But I'm gonna take this quick release out. These are potentially garbage. Old steering wheel. Just gonna start, you know, going ahead and lightening everything up here. Just got this out of here. Don't need that. Might need that to wipe some stuff down. If anybody wants to buy this Greddy steering wheel, hit me up. Sell to you dirt cheap, like 30 bucks. This can go. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. Oh yeah. A lot of this stuff back here is coming out. Oh yeah. If you guys haven't seen the daily, you have seen it now. This car is rusted as fuck, but gets the job done. I think I can throw that right there. Alright, these are for the coilovers. Now this is not going to be permanent, because some of this stuff I will go ahead and still need, but for right now I'm gonna go ahead and deaden this a little bit. I'm gonna keep this. Actually, nah. I have a Phillips head. See what else is in here. I'm gonna leave all that. Let's get this out of here. Unscrew this. I've actually never went ahead and taken this thing out the car, so I guess there's a first time for everything. That's just to secure that down. Let's go ahead and take that out. Oh, there's a lug nut down here. Damn, it's actually 2 lug nuts. I guess that's for the spare. Put that right there. That spare is kind of useless anyway. I'm on 18s now. All this you can keep. I'm gonna keep this foam stuff, but might just go ahead, just put this here. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff down here. Now I don't know how much weight I'm cutting, but I think it's honestly a considerable amount, because this stuff, realistically, it might not look like it's light, or it's heavy, but it kind of is heavy. Now I do have some stuff in the back seats that I do want to go ahead and lighten up. Let's get back here. Extra AM gauge, some gaskets. Again, this is not going to be some permanent stuff, but in the light of, let's not put that on top of there. Let's put this, you can just put that right there. There we go. Now I'm actually going to go ahead and put this back in here. There we go. Nobody has to know. All right, so that's pretty much all the stuff in the trunk. That's done. Now, am I gonna go ahead and get ignorant and take this stuff out? I think I probably am. Wonder what head this is. Oh! I mean, do I want to be ignorant and just take this off? I mean, I don't know. I don't know if I want to be ignorant and do this. I think I actually have to go ahead. Oh yeah, it's secured to this, and that's what I was afraid of. All right, so we're not gonna do this because, believe it or not, this part back here is like dead ass broken, and it is going to be a complete bitch to take out. And I do not have the tools to go ahead and take this out. I'd actually probably would have to take a sledgehammer, I shit you not, and just bash the shit out of this and like legit break this, because this is actually broken. Like, I can't put this down at all. So since that failed, we're just gonna go ahead and tighten this right back up. Alright, I'm not gonna cap. It does actually feel a lot better. Like, I'm not just saying that just because I did it. I'm not saying out of a placebo effect type deal. This actually does feel a lot nicer. It feels like the car is like a little bit more responsive. I don't know how much weight I like saved taking out that stuff out the trunk, but it does feel pretty decent, I'm not gonna lie. Everything kind of feels a lot more responsive. It feels like the car picks up speed a lot more, and the rear end definitely feels a little bit more tail happy. Like pulling up to a stop for sure feels a little bit more tail happy. You can turn right here. I don't know, I recommend you guys doing this. If you guys had like a boosted FRS 86, you know, BRZ, try it out, shit. Free weight reduction, why not? There goes my P3 gauge acting up. This actually does not feel bad though, like it actually feels really, really nice. I'm actually gonna turn down here. I gun it to just know. I don't even have to gun it to know. I don't even have to gun it to know. Oh yeah. I mean, fellas, I'm telling you guys right now to do it. Like in the turns, it doesn't feel. I mean, it still is planted because the R888's on R4, but I mean, I just spun the. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I kind of spun the tires right there. I gave it maybe like 30% throttle. Yeah. I literally spun the tires. I'm not gonna. I was like, should I be ignorant, try to catch that light? But it's probably not a good idea. 'Cause I was really thinking about being ignorant right there, but it's nice. Like it actually kind of like, it kind of puts you back in your seat a little bit. It really does. It feels nice. What is this nonsense? Yeah, I'm being that guy right now. It feels real nice though. It feels real nice. Alright, hope you guys did enjoy. Recommend you guys doing this ASAP because it is 110% worth it. I don't have to even gun it to know that it's worth it.